Hey YouTube, this is Abdul Car Fix, and we're changing that camshaft seal right there, that little plastic seal that leaks a lot of oil, by the way. If you see oil all over the place like that, if you have a Honda Civic or Honda Accord, the 1.7, 1.8 older vehicles, 2003 here we're looking at, that seal leaks. It's only about $7-8, and to replace, you have to take out the EGR valve. It's kind of difficult, but once you break them loose, the outside one, once you take the housing, the air cleaner housing, you can get that one is really easily, but that one on the inside here, the one right here, it's pretty hard to get to. But what do? As you lift up, use a small socket, 12 mil, and this is kind of a wobbly extension, and as you lift up like that, you can, as you lift up and loosen it, lift up and loosen it until it comes off. The best way to grab it with the magnet. See the magnet right there, grab the bolt, you're good to go. You can replace the seal. The seal is really simple. You can pry it with a screwdriver like that. So I'll show you. Find the screwdriver from all these. The screwdriver right here. The new one on the way. But I'll show you how you get it off. Actually, this one looks like it's been living here for a long time. It's been leaking. Okay, as you see, guys, it's coming out. There you go. We got some leak too. See, guys, this is the leaker right here. If you have a Honda Civic or Honda Accord with this engine and leaking on the side of the motor like that, you have a mess everywhere in the front and the back, that's the guy that's leaking all the oil, guys. So bless it. Look how flat that gasket is. See how flat it is? That's what you replace. And you should be in good shape. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and like my video. Thanks.